Hey guys, so today we're at Alberta Birds of Prey Center here in Lethbridge. Well, technically Coaldale town, as you can see behind me. This is where they take care and preserve birds that are orphaned or injured. What do you mean you can't see?
Back up!
Oh, not too close though, baby.
Kasi owl, diba? Nocturnal yan.
Yeah, aren't they supposed to be asleep?
No, actually, owls with the yellow eyes are daytime owls. So that means that they're awake all day and then they sleep at night.
Oh,
really? So,
I didn't know there was daytime owls.
Yeah, so the owls with the black eyes, just pure black, those are the nocturnal ones.
Oh.
He's just hot right now. They pant like dogs. Yeah.
So, do you put them in somewhere warm? Is that how it works?
What we do is we just like spray them down when it's really hot out with water, and it cools them down.
They don't mind spraying them with water? It's okay.
But it cools them down, so.
I'm guessing eagles and hawks you can't do this.
Yeah,
right?
they love water actually. Eagles and hawks.
Really?
Eagles their main food is fish, so in the wild they actually swim, like they'll dive and get food. Oh wow. Do
you let the eagles and hawks be held like this too? Or
no,
they're a bit vicious, right?
Yeah. Way too dangerous and unpredictable. The owls are really lazy and kind of chill.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Are the eagles awake right now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So just follow the path?
Yeah.
So they're sort of like our athletes. We have to watch what they're eating and their weights and stuff. And when she is flying, she's gonna look for any excuse to make flying a little easier. So when she comes back in here, you'll notice that she's really, really low to the ground. And the reason she's doing that is she's actually just using a little shortcut. And there's a little pocket of air right next to the ground called the boundary layer. And so she's right on top of it when she flies.
Wow.
And so when she flies right on top of that boundary layer, it just makes flying just a little bit easier. So they're going to look for any shortcuts and wind currents, anything like that that they can use just to help them make flying a little easier. So when you are seeing like hawks or eagles fly really, really high in the sky, they're always using wind currents to their advantage. So sometimes when it is really windy out here, you'll see them kind of use their tails as like a rudder, stuff like that. So they definitely are masters of obviously.
Looking for bags? Either for travel, business, or just everyday use, check out ReadyPro Supply. Click the link at the description below and use promo code ReadyProAF15 to get 15% off your first purchase, or ReadyProAF5 for 5% off all your succeeding purchase. ReadyPro Supply, quality travel products for your modern and active lifestyle.
So this is also inside the Alberta Birds of Prey Center, Alberta Centennial Natural History Center. So when you come here, this is free to access, which is nice. Let's go inside. So guys, that's about it. This is the Alberta Birds of Prey Center. Come visit it sometime. As you've heard, they're a non-profit organization, and the best way to help them is to visit them. Help take care of the injured birds and orphan birds. This is Joseph, your admiring wanderer. See you next time.